That's his name. Oh, hi everyone. I hope you all had a good Easter weekend. You know, last week's video briefly mentioned the term sunspot. That was weird. So this week we're going to learn more about sunspots. So I posted this doc to Google Classroom. It's called 2020 Sunspot Data Lab. The question that we are looking at is, how are magnetic storms on Earth related to sunspot activity? So for this learning opportunity, you'll have a chance to look at some sunspot data. You're going to make a graph based on that data, and then you're going to interpret that data and then make some predictions based on what you did in this activity. As you're working through this document, please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Also, I reposted the 9th grade teacher's office hours, so that will be easily accessible to you. That's it, and have an awesome week.